Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve this exponential equation for the value of x. So the question says find the value of x that satisfies this. So by inspection we get 1, but how can we get all the solutions? Because there is a quadratic um, functions there. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to rewrite this thing as, when you write this as 5 multiplied by 4, then we raised all this thing by x to the power of 2 equals 5 multiplied by 4 to the power of x. So we consider the rule of indices that says, suppose we have a multiplied by b raised to the power of n. So this is the same thing as a to the power of n multiplied by b to the power of n. So we try to apply it, then we distribute it, and it becomes 5 to the power of x squared multiplied by 4 to the power of x squared equals 5 multiplied by 4 to the power of x. So what we do next is, here is the base of 5 and here is the base of 5. So we have to divide both sides by 5 multiplied by 4 to the power of x squared. So I will transfer this base here. Then this side also 5 multiplied by 4 to the power of x squared. So with what we have here, this cancelled and this also cancelled. And we have 5 to the power of x squared. So we can write this as short division as divided by 5 to save the space equals 4 to the power of x divided by 4 to the power of x squared. And also we apply the rule of indices as well, which is division. So here is 5 to the power 1, then division changes to minus, and we write it as 5 to the power of x squared minus 1 equals 4 to the power of x minus x squared. And if this is what we have at this stage, so we have to introduce logarithm to get the value of x. So suppose I consider the natural log of 5 to the power of x squared minus 1 equals natural log of 4 to the power of x minus x squared. Then by property of logarithm, we transfer the power, we take it down. So we have x to the power of 2 minus 1 in bracket, then ln 5 equals x minus x squared ln 4. So when we have this, so let's try and divide both sides by ln 5. So by dividing both sides by ln 5, we have this cancelled. Then at this side we have x squared minus 1 equals x minus x squared. Then let's take this together also, ln 4 divided by ln 5. And with what we have here, we have x minus x squared. So here is x squared minus 1. If I write this one as 1 square, so we call this one difference of 2 square, which we can write it as x minus 1 open bracket x plus 1. So we call this one difference of 2 square. Then equals to, with what we have here, so we want to make sure it is also have something like x minus 1 here. So what we'll do here is, by taking out x open bracket, So at this point, when we divide this one by x, it remains 1. Then here remains minus x also. Then ln 4 divided by ln 5. And next, let's try to rearrange this. So when we arrange this, or let's take the whole of this thing here. So by taking that, we have x minus 1, open bracket, x plus 1. Then by taking the whole of this here, so this changes to minus x into bracket of 1 minus x ln 4 divided by ln 5, everything equals 0. So here we have x minus 1, open bracket, x plus 1. Now, let's take this negative inside. By taking negative inside, so we change this one to plus, then here is x. So the introduction of this negative inside, this becomes plus, and we write it as x, then this becomes minus, which is minus 1. Then here is ln 4 divided by ln 5, everything equals 0. So having this, where is x minus 1? Here is x minus 1. So we try to factor it out as this. Then we create a bracket. So when we divide this one by x minus 1, we are left with x plus 1. And also when we divide this one by x minus 1, so we are left with x, okay, ln 4 divided by ln 5. This is what we are going to have for this. Then everything equals 0. So we are going to let x minus 1 equals 0, or the whole of this equals 0. So by doing that, we have x minus 1 equals 0. So with what we have here, we get the value of x, which is equals 1 as the first solution. And also with this one, we have x here and we have x. So by combining it together, we have x plus x ln 4 divided by ln 5 equals to, so by taking one to the other side, it becomes minus 1. And looking at these two, x is common. So we try to factor out that x. So when we factor out x, so here becomes 1 plus, so we divide this one by x, it becomes 1. When we divide this one by x, we get ln 4 divided by ln 5 equals minus 1. And we try to divide both sides by 1 plus ln 4 divided by ln 5. Then we get the value of x as x equals minus 1 divided by 1 plus ln 4 divided by ln 5. And if we can leave our answer like this, that is fine, but it is not more professional. We have to leave it in this form. So if we also leave it in this form as x equals minus ln 5 divided by ln 20, so this is also good, but I think this is more good than the first one. So thanks for watching, and if you are new here to this channel, if you find this video interesting, please do well to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.